What's up? So today we're going to be unboxing the Lego 2021 Double Barrel Snowboard. I've been waiting for this for a long time. It's almost Christmas and it certainly feels like it. So let's unbox this bad boy. Can't wait. Here we go. Oh. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh my God. Woo, baby. Oh man, can we just take a moment to appreciate the packaging? Look at this. It's so nice. I mean, I've never gotten a snowboard package this nice. It's always been like, you know, boxed up or whatever. I saw the color online. It was the best thing that Lago Snowboards has made. So this is the tightest color for 2021. Awesome colorway. Let's unzip this thing, take this bad boy out. Nice. Oh, sick. Look at that. Lego. Lego my ego. Man, this is so cool. All right, I gotta get the wrapping off of this, but let's get a little close-up of this. Man, this is sick. Ooh, so shiny. It's even shinier in person. But if y'all don't know who Scotty Lego is, he competed in the 2010 Winter Olympics. He got the bronze, I think, in the world, or the super pipe, 2004 gold medal world super pipe. I'll put some videos of that playing, but you know, super pumped for him because he's living out his dream, making sick snowboards for us to have at an affordable price. Pretty sweet board. And they say it's an asymmetrical twin, meaning that asymmetrical is not going to be the same on one side. And as you can see that whenever you're doing some heel side carves, those tend to be a little bit harder. And so what they did is they made that heel side edge, so they mark it toe and heel side edge, but they made that a little sharper so you'll be able to get in it a little bit more. Honestly, I love doing those toe side turns and carves, so I'll go left and right. I might ride switch and go in the other direction, but like I said, I'm not an expert snowboarder. I'm gonna put some of my favorite snowboarding channels down below. I was actually turned on to this board by my man, Willax, so I don't really have a discount code for you, but I'm gonna put his discount code for you, so that way you can save 10% off your board. I did get this on a Cyber Monday, got 20% off. I was stoked, so not sure if they're gonna run that again, don't know, but good idea to check for Black Friday, Cyber Monday. You know, they may run some specials. I don't think they really run it, but man, this is like literally the nicest board. And the reason why I got it, this is a double barrel wide because, you know, I got like big feet. I sort of wear a size 12 boot or 13 boot, and find a lot of times when I am trying to carve and slide onto the side that my toe is always digging into the snow. And so I'm super excited to try this board. Can't really say I have a good review on it because I've never used it, but they did say it's pretty stiff. I mean, like, you can really like bend this thing, and I'm not gonna put all my weight on. I'm actually afraid to. I'm gonna do all that in the mountain, but they say if you break it, they'll buy it. So they'll buy you a new one if you break it. But anywho, I'm super pumped to ride this board. Looks pretty sweet, super cool. Man, I'm just stoked. And there's over like, you know, 60 different reviews on this thing that everybody is giving it 5-star ratings. So I can't wait to give it a 5-star rating. I am going snowboarding in Colorado this upcoming week, so I'm gonna get to try that there, get my bindings on it, and give this thing a run for its money. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you'd like, please go ahead and subscribe. Click that notification bell so you never miss any of my latest content. I do post a lot of fitness stuff on how to get in the best shape of your life. Again, my name is Frank. I'm a certified personal trainer and fitness nutrition coach. I help people feel, move, and look better through mobility training and nutrition. And in the winter, yes, I do put a little bit of snowboarding content like this. So if it's gonna be unboxing a new snowboard or doing some tricks down the mountain, not the biggest pro, not a snowboard expert, but I do like to share my passion of snowboarding in the winter months. And heck, that's why I work out. I stay in great shape so I can go snowboard and have a bunch of fun during the winter, because sitting on the beach and drinking, I mean, I'm so over that. And actually, I don't even drink that much anymore because it's not as fun, man. I'd rather be out on the mountain, shredding it up, you know, burning a shit ton of calories and enjoying snowboarding. I have been using a 156 K2 bottle rock, and actually I have tried an Arbor, a 153. It spins a lot easier, but the cool thing about this one is they have this blunted nose and tail, so what it's supposed to do is it's supposed to help you get more spin. So a 159 can spin like a 155, a 155 can spin like a 151. Anyway, it's just supposed to whip that weight around a little bit easier. So I'm super pumped to try this. I can't even leave a review on it because I haven't even tried this board yet, but I'm just more than excited to do it. So just wanted to show you what this board looks like and what you can expect. And I'm sure maybe if this thing is still in the market for next year, maybe you can get a deal on it when the 2022s come out. But I am super pumped to ride this new board in style and get it going. So feel free to subscribe, click the notification bell so you never miss any of my latest content. I do post a lot of videos regarding nutrition, training, and mobility, because when it comes to snowboarding, especially too, you can get hurt and you want to be able to ride longer on the mountain. And so my craft and my idea when I put the personal training into snowboarding, it really does help. So if you want to learn some corrective exercise methods and techniques to help better your body, please feel free to check out some of my other videos. I got plenty of follow along workouts, how to exercise, how to eat right, all sorts of nutrition and grocery shopping videos. I'm gonna be putting out a ton more content in 2021 also. And if you haven't seen it already, I have a big goal of mine is to put out 100 follow along workouts in 100 weeks. I think I've already got about 50 at the shooting of this video, 48 or so. So definitely make sure you go check that out for sure. And again, I hope to see you watching some of my other content, checking out some of my other videos, and also put my How to Snowboard playlist. So in case you're brand new to snowboarding, haven't been out to the mountain, check that out. It's just my take on it. You know, if you want to see a pro snowboarding coach, you can check out Tommie Bennett. I thoroughly watch his channel and I watch a lot of his YouTube stuff. If you want to get a discount on the board, I don't have a code for you, but use Casey's. Willax is another snowboarder out there that I follow, and he's the one who turned me on to these Lego snowboards. And again, Scotty Lego, thank you for putting together a really cool board that's made at an affordable price. That's really seems like it's pretty good quality and that people can enjoy riding and they don't have to break the bank to get a new board. Also, I'm not sure if you can really see it, but there's a little camera in it. So I'm not the big snowboarding expert, so you can actually go check out the fellas at the Good Ride. I'll put their link down there below because they have a website that they set up and they actually reviewed a 2017 model of this board, so you can probably go and scroll around through there if you want to see all the specs. But you can see it is cambered a little bit, so it's kind of a little bit flat here in the middle. It's got a, it's a little crevice in there. I can see it, but you know, you can kind of push down on it. So there's 2 contact points down here at the bottom. And again, I guess it's just supposed to have a little bit more pop. So yeah, that's kind of that right there. This is a new board. I think it does come pre-waxed, but I'm gonna go ahead and wax it anyways, just because I wanna make sure I go as fast as possible. I have gotten new boards before and gone out on the mountain. I do think sometimes they go a little slow, but never hurts to go ahead and get a fresh wax on it. Even if I get a new board, go ahead, throw down a nice coat of wax on there, scrape it off, give it a little scrub, and it'll be good to go and it'll be a little bit faster down the mountain. Guess that'll about wrap it up. I'm gonna go ahead and put the website where you can get this board. You should definitely check it out. Now they have some other boards. I think this one's gonna be more for the intermediate to the advanced, or the advanced to expert rider. So it's gonna be a little bit more of a freestyle board, but they do have a few other boards that you can get on there if you wanna either hit a little bit powder or if you just wanna kind of do a little bit more surfing through the snow. I like to do a lot of tricks, and again, I can't really go crazy, but I'm so excited. I get to go snowboarding maybe like 3 or 4 times a year, and I'm going to Colorado for a week, and then probably in February and March, I know with all this COVID craziness, it might be a little different. I used to go to North Carolina a lot, but you know, that kind of gets old. I'd rather go someplace out west. So anywho, hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing video. I'll be sure to be posting some other videos of me doing some snowboarding this winter, and hopefully you can watch some of my other content if you want to get in better shape. Check out some of my mobility, some of my training, and some of my nutrition videos. And so until next time, I'll see you very soon in my next video.